Good morning, my students. We're going to start with the class of phonics. Today we are going to start studying chart 6. Okay, so you need to go to your book on page 60 and you will find chart 6. Okay, in this chart 6, we are going to study words that ends with CK, like in duck, E in me, O in go, Y in fly, A in pray, ST in stop, stop, PL in plane, plane, FR in frock, frock, TR in train, train, SH in ship, ship, TH in thick, tick, TH in this, this, BL in block, block, CL in clock, clock, FL in flake, flake, GL in glue, glue. Excellent, so let's start. First, we are going to study deep CK. Okay, like CK in duck. The sound of CK is k, k, duck. Okay, the special sound of CK follows a short vowel. Okay, and KE usually follows a long vowel. Okay, let's see. Let's study this. We have, remember, half a moon means that it's a short sound. Okay, so we have talk, 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 peck, 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 rick, 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 neck, 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 rack, 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 sack, 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 tack, 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 back, 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 quick, 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 quack, 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 dick, 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 duck, duck, duck. Remember, if we have a E at the end, that means that it's a silent E, so we do not pronounce it. Break. This is a long sound. We are not doing short sounds anymore. It's long sound. Rake, rake, sake, sake, take, take, bake, bake. Okay? Here we apply the rule that we studied before. Aquí aplicamos la regla que aprendimos anteriormente. Recuerden, tenemos en una palabra, si tenemos dos vocales, la primera siempre va a ser con sonido largo y la última va a ser muda. Okay, so we apply that rule here. So let's read the sentence. Rick, Rick is a duck. Rick is a duck. A bug is on his back. A bug is on his back. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Rick will peck at the bug. Rick will peck at the bug. Rick will peck at the bug. Excellent. So let's continue learning. Vamos a continuar aprendiendo. Okay, now we see the E in the word me. Me significa yo, yo, me. Go, que decir fly, volar, ¿verdad? Volar o es la mosquita en este caso. Okay, fly. Okay. So we have when E or O or Y is the only vowel at the end of a short word, it usually says its long sound. The words do and to are exceptions to this rule. Ok, aquí nos habla acerca de una regla. Cuando tenemos una palabra corta, como por ejemplo una palabra corta es esta, miren, solo son 2 letras, me, go y fly. Fly en este caso tiene 3, ok. Si la I, la O y la Y están al final, estos van a tener sonidos largos, con excepciones de la palabra do y try, que esos son sonidos cortos. Pero en este caso, sí será sonido largo. Por ejemplo, which is the short sound of letter E? E. Y el long sound, I. Entonces, la regla nos dice, si la I en una palabra corta como esta va al final, tiene sonido largo. Si la O en una palabra corta va al final, es sonido largo. Si la Y en una palabra corta va al final, es sonido largo, ¿ok? So let's practice. Vamos a practicar. Be, he, we. Be, he, we. Be, he, we. No, no, go, go, so, so. No, no, go, go, so, so. My, vi, fly, fly, fly. Excellent. So let's pronunciate this word, this sentence. Let's read this sentence. We are going to use the side word to. My dog. My dog is big. He can help me get my hat. We like to go fast. He will lick me. One more time, una vez más. My dog is big. He can help me get my hat. He can help me get my hat. We like to go fast. We like to go fast. He will lick me. He will lick me. Mi perro. Mi perro es grande. Él me ayuda a obtener mi sombrero. We like to go fast. A nosotros nos gusta ir rápido. He will lick me. Él me puede lamer. Okay, excellent. So remember, we finish here, but you need to continue practicing. Recuerden, terminamos la clase, terminamos esta video clase, pero ustedes necesitan seguir practicándolo, ¿ok? A in pray. 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 Pray es orar. Miren ustedes. Pray. A in pray. This special sound usually comes at the end of a word. Este sonido especial normalmente nosotros lo vamos a encontrar al final de la palabra. Miren, miren, miren. Look, 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 look. Okay. So let's start with the reading. Vamos a comenzar con la lectura. J, 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 way, 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 may, 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 hey, 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 ray, 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 play, 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 lay, 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 today, today, today. Excellent. So let's continue with the sentences. Side word that we are going to use is to again. May we play in the Hey, today. May we play in the hay today? May we play in the hay today? ¿Podemos jugar en el pasto hoy? En el heno. ¿Podemos jugar en el heno hoy? Heno es este pasto seco, miren. Heno, hay, ok. We hope that we'll say yes. 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 Nosotros esperamos que papá diga que sí. We like to jump and play in the hay. We like to jump and play in the hay. We like to jump and play in the hay. We like to jump and play in the hay. We like to jump and play in the hay. Very good. And the other word that we have here is Sunday. 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 This is a day of the week. Este es un día de semana. ¿Qué significa Sunday? ¿Qué es Sunday en español? A ver. Let's see if you remember. Vamos a ver si se recuerdan qué es Sunday. ¿Cuál día es Sunday? Ah, muy bien. Excellent. It's domingo. Es domingo. Okay. So let's continue. Okay, so here we have the combination ST. ST normally goes at the beginning. ST normalmente viene en el inicio de una palabra, ¿ok? Y también la podemos encontrar al final. Okay, so we have, remember, half a moon is short sound, okay? And the line is long sound, okay? So we have the short sound of letter A, long sound, A, okay? Sta, ste, sti, sto, stu. Sta, ste, sti, sto, stu. Sta, ste, sti, sto, stu. Long sound, stay, sti, sty, stow, stew. Stay, sti, sty, stow, stew. Stay, sti, sty, stow, stew. Great, let's continue. Stems, still, stay, stick. Escuchen cómo es el sonido al inicio. St, st. Stems, still, stay, stick. Stones, stop, stay, stack. Stones, stop, stayed, stack. Rust, lust, past, toast. Ahora miren la combinación al final. Rust, lust, past, toast. Okay, let's continue with the sentence. A dog ran past the stand. Stop, dog, stop. I will toss a stick. Run and get it. Very good. So it has been a pleasure for me being with you today. If you have any questions, you know that you can call me, okay? Bye-bye.